Welcome back. This is Daniela with a new cut files and mixed media layout, and I have been working with the June kit and the embellishment kit. I also used the color kit, of course, and two cards from the Pocket Life kit, the stems, and this beautiful arrow background cut file. Today I want to show you how to create a nice mixed media background by using a cut file, and I started my page by applying color from the color kit here to my white cardstock. And I love working with the foils from the packages, so you don't need anything else. Just grab a foil from one of those embellishments and apply some color to the cardstock, and then you can just put it wherever you need it. All right, so you see that I mixed green and blue, and this is also my color combination for this page. So I will be working with blue and green papers later, and I feel that I want to have more blue, and that is why I added blue watercolor here to the background, and now I just want to take off the color so that it doesn't become too intense. And now it's time to work with the cut file. So you see that I have cut some arrows here from the beautiful cut file that you get when you are a subscriber. So there are different cut files each month that go together with the kit, and if you're a subscriber you get them for free. Okay, so I just used the mist that we have in the color kit to spray some arrows here on my background. I guess next time I would cover up the edge of my cardstock, but this time I just have some color mist here on the edges, but it's also something that is a thing about mixed media. You can get messy all the time, and I love playing with colors, and it's a lot of fun to do so. I also want to add some chevrons, and I use the watercolor here with my stamp from the Pocket Life stamp set, and I just add some of those here and there, and it is a messy kind of background, so you can also have messy stamping on this background. And it's the same color that I used for the blue spots, and now I wanted to see what this would look like, so I tried it in the middle where a picture would be or will be in the end, and then I decided that I don't want to have black ink here on the background, so now I can just cover it up. Okay, so these are my pictures. My son and I went shopping here in our town on the first day of summer break, and usually he doesn't like going shopping, but this time we had so much fun, and he found so many different things he needed, like a lot of shirts and shoes and a new backpack and others things that he wanted to have. And I think that we are going to go shopping now more often, because it's not the same if you just look online. In the shops in the town you can see things that you weren't looking for but then fall in love with. So this was a fun thing to do, and in the end we got some slushies, and this is what I am documenting here. And you see that the slushy in the picture is also blue, so this is the main color that I was going for. I always pick one color from the pictures to work with, and this time it was the blue slushy. Okay, you see that I combined different papers here. I have a paper strap from one of the pattern papers, and then two pocket life cards and these two tags, and everything is blue and green, and I think that this goes together quite well. Of course, you can also work with smaller pictures if you want to see more of the mixed media background in the end. I add some more chevrons so that I have more of them in the end result, because most of the background is covered with my big cluster here. But of course you can also work with smaller pictures to have more mixed media spots on your page. Yeah, I want to fix everything now, and then I can also add some embellishments. Since my pictures are quite big, there is no need to add too many embellishments this time, so I just built a little cluster here. And of course I also want to have some more layers, so I again chose some of those frames which I love a lot. They are the best thing I discovered in my kits. I love them and I used them on all of my pages, and you see that I still got plenty of them left, so we really get a lot in these kits, and you can make so many different pages from just one monthly kit. And yeah, that's what I love about the hip kits. You get so much to work with, and you don't have to keep them in your stash because you are afraid to use them, because there are so many things. Okay, you see that I also added the title. It's one these puffy phrases are a part of the embellishment kit, and now I also add some more puffy stickers. And then I have a nice cluster here, and yeah, that is what everything looks like in the end. I also want to have paper stripes at both sides, and I'm going for this paper. It's green and blue as well, so this is the perfect fit here. And of course I also have to add the journaling and the date. And yeah, then I just need to cut off the edges and adhere my cardstock to the paper, and this way I can also flatten the cardstock a bit, because mixed media sometimes gets your cardstock a bit messed up. So this is what it looks like in the end. And yeah, maybe you would like to do some mixed media as well. If you do so, have a lot of fun playing with the colors. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Have a nice day, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.